let's say something about I know about dog something. Okay, they're funny. They're, can make you a good mood. I just saw the dog doing something. She was jumping up on the label and then. But when you like some of these trends, I think can actually confuse the dog. Like think in front of your dog and see their reaction. I'm gonna do one more of that because I think they might think I have some problems with my body because, well, I don't know if they're like because they can feel what you're doing. Don't know if they can feel that much about me. If I'm doing it on purpose or not, I don't know if they can feel that. So, I mean, that's depending if it's really intelligent. If you had one dog breed though, a border collie, or any collie dog, yes, you can do that, I think. It's the most intelligent dog breed. My dog is doing it not all the time though. Bye.